So starting out, I'm using my NYX Ultimate palette. I don't know why I pointed to the pink. I'm actually using the green, and I'm just kind of contouring the face with the green shade. But I was using this little brush, and it really wasn't coming out as much as I'd like. It was taking a little longer, so I ended up going in with a bigger brush. I used my NYX, I think it's like a 06 brush. Which is like what I actually use for like bronzer, so it came out a lot darker. Using my Paradise, why am I saying that again? I did that in the other video. Paradise, Mayron Paradise paint in black. First thing I do is basically just darken the lip area. And then I am just stretching, bringing out the line that will be for the teeth later on. So I'm not doing like an elaborate skull, I'm just doing lines for the teeth impression area, because it's not just a skull, it's a glam skull, alright? But yeah, I'm just kind of following though like where my actual like teeth lines are, if that makes sense, as best as I can. Then the next part is just making the skull nose area. Nothing real fancy about it, just kind of doing a little outline and then filling that in. And then for the indents of the forehead area, I'm just making the outline, but I'm not filling it in with the dark because I want to use a green shade to fill it in. And then making the outlines of the cheekbone area, and same thing, I'm just making the outline and then I will shade it out with a green shade. So I decided to go in with Throne from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and I'm just shading in the sunken areas of the forehead and then underneath the cheekbone area. Using this shade Sphere from that same palette, I am just going around and adding some more green shade to the face. Using Lucky Clover from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit, I'm just highlighting the face with this really pretty green highlight color that I think worked out perfect for this look. And there is the finished look. This was super easy. You know, you could recreate this one pretty easy to do. So if you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, because hey, it's free. Why not? Lets me know I'm doing a good job. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys, as always, tomorrow to finish off the rest of the month. And yeah, just keep watching. Bye!
My friends don't